Hey guys, today I've been planning to buy a outdoor Bluetooth speaker for my backyard that I recently done. So I've actually got two of them. This is the first one. My budget was to get a nice, loud, good bass speaker in the price range of $50 to $100. This one is a low end. This one is probably about $50. But I've read some good reviews about it. This is a Tribit StormBox micro portable wireless speaker. It does say micro in size, macro in sound. So let's open it up and let's see how it is. Nice first impression. A very good, durable, quality box. Yeah. It does say that it's waterproof, Bluetooth 5.0, long battery life, superior sound, stereo party mode, and that's about it. So let's see what the box has. A manual in it. It's in English and a few more languages. It does tells you about the different modes, party mode, stereo mode, and turn on functions, off functions, the Bluetooth pairing. So that's the manual. What else? Oh, it's a heavy speaker, which is a good sign actually, which means it's it has the needed hardware in it to give a macro sound, that it says on the box. So it's a fabric design finish to it. Says Tribit, the volume buttons. This is probably on off. This is kind of a strap. So yeah, I believe if you're traveling, that can become really handy. These are some at the bottom to just make it a level, flat bottom. The power on off, the Bluetooth button. I believe that's the charging with the USB-C cable. And yeah, it is pretty heavy, which is a good sign. So Tribit, I got it in black. I believe it was on a special. Here is a USB-C cable. USB, regular USB with a USB-C connection, and that's about it in the box. Let's look at the manual, see if there's anything worth mentioning right now. So regarding there's a battery indicator. Okay, well, there are some small dots over here that actually tells you how much battery is consumed or remaining. So you can charge through that. The low battery, if there's only one light that's low battery, it's usually in red. White indicator is flashing, it means that it's charging, and all indicators turned off. Oh, that means it's fully charged. So if you see any light flashing, that means it's either charging or it's on low battery. So the power button, short press, power on, short press, power off. You press and hold it for 8 seconds, and that's what resets. It's all the pairing, the paired devices data actually wipes away if you do that. Bluetooth pairing, press and hold it for 2 seconds and it goes into pairing mode. And if it is flashing, that's a pairing status. If it is not flashing, it's steadily on, that it means successfully connected. So the volume on and off, and this is called MFB. The one in the middle is called MFB, which I suppose is called multifunctional button. Okay, so there's a music mode, there's a conversation mode, so you can actually press. There are different functions you can do with that. And then it's a party mode, and then there's a stereo mode. So that's all there is, and that's just, it goes on in different languages. So I'll give it a review of actually using it, and I will share it probably in a separate video of how the sound quality of this Tribit StormBox micro is. Alright guys, thank you for watching.